Hello everybody, welcome back to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. We're gonna do a Christmas drawing today. We're here with Kimball, and let me ask Kimball, who is the meanest, most vile Christmas character you can think of?
Grinch.
Grinch. Get those pencils, get those markers out, and let's draw Grinch. Alrighty, you guys ready to draw the Grinch? Classic Christmas character. We're gonna start out with our black marker here.
Oh my gosh.
And let's try to find the center of the page here. And this could be challenging, so let's see here. I'm gonna start out with the nose. So just follow me, and we'll see if we can get this Grinch done. That's the left edge of the nose, and I'm gonna go on the bottom. Watch me. Up, down, up. Good. And then I'm gonna go around. And now I'm gonna connect a little point, a little point. Nice. Now, the Grinch is famous for having this big kind of pointy mouth, so I'm gonna start right below the nose and kind of curve down. Good job. And I'm gonna put a little arrow so we can kind of know where the pointy mouth's gonna be. We'll come back to that. So right here I'm going to draw a couple of eyes. We'll start off with the right eye, and the right eye is just going to come off this nostril, kind of up. And the left eye area is going to come off this left nostril, up. Alrighty, and above the nose, we're going to start to draw these eyebrows that the Grinch is famous for, these mean, sinister eyebrows. So let's go. And now I'm going to draw this right eye. It's going to go up, point. Good job. Alrighty. Now the left eye is gonna go kind of mean looking. And we're gonna do the circles here. We're gonna meet that eye. That eye. Can you sing the Grinch song, Kimball?
I can't memorize it.
Okay, draw a couple of eye pupils right there. And remember, these aren't full circles, they're just a couple of U shapes, huh? To make them look mean. Alright, let's finish off these eyebrows. Go up. And come off this eyebrow, go up. Now he's got big, bushy, mean eyebrows. Let's start with it just right by the edge of the eye. We're gonna go up and point. Come down and point. Come down and point. Come down and meet that eye. Kind of looks like a flame. Good, that looks good, Kimball, that looks mean. All right, now we're gonna go up and do another eyebrow over here. We're gonna go up. Over. A couple of zigzags and back. I almost said jig-jags. Okay, let's extend this cheekbone past that eye a little bit. And a little dot. Can you do that little dot? Okay, now we're gonna do this big mouth. It's gonna go kind of like a heart shaped. It's gonna meet up here and kind of go up, meet up here, kind of like that. A mean heart shape. So watch me here. I'm gonna do a smile over there and a smile right there. This is just the edge of the smile. Now we're gonna connect this point all the way up. Let's see if I can do it. Remember, this is a difficult drawing, so don't get frustrated. Even I get frustrated sometimes, and I have to tell myself, all right, it's not perfect. So let's start again. Heart up. Big curve on that smile, huh? Let's do another one. So we're gonna go up and a big curve to the smile. Up, big curve to the smile. You can start to see the Grinch face, right? It's kind of cool. So down here is the chin, so we'll do another V. And I'm gonna come up here and draw the head, kind of go up. The head kind of go up. Now we're gonna build this fuzzy hair that goes down the Grinch's face, right? And now we're gonna meet it. Kind of curve there. Good. This is a challenging drawing, and Kimball's doing great. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do some hair that kind of follows this heart shape. So here we go. Do a spike, another spike, another spike, another spike. You can see how they kind of turn and start to point down. Point up, over, down, down. And now we're gonna bring this, follow that heart shape, and meet that V. Can you see the Grinch start to take shape? It's kind of scary, huh? Alrighty, let's do the Santa hat up here. So the Grinch has kind of a longer head. And we're gonna do a puffy Santa hat. So do a U shape up in his forehead area. Another U shape. Another U shape. Let's do one over here. Another U shape. Another U shape. Alrighty. Now this, I'm gonna start over here on his head and kind of bring it around. What that does, it makes the hat look like it's wrapping around his head. Little puff ball up there. These are rainbow shapes. So rainbow shapes. Rainbow shapes. Maybe a little one. Maybe a big one. One that pokes out here. And then we're gonna wrap that last one around his head again. Connect his head to the hat. There you go. Alrighty. Now let's do the top of this Santa hat. It's gonna go to a point, because Grinch was pretending he was Santa, right? To steal what? What was he gonna steal?
The Christmas decorations.
From who?
The Who's.
The Who's. Why would he want to do that?
Because he does not like Christmas.
He didn't like Christmas, did he? And he didn't want the Who's in Whoville to be happy. But what happened when the Grinch stole all the Christmas? Were the Who's sad?
Yeah, really.
Were they sad?
But on the other movie, he actually liked Christmas.
The Who's came out and saw that Christmas wasn't about all the things, right? It was about... I'm talking a lot about the Grinch. I should be explaining this drawing, but I hope you're following along. So we did a big pointy rounded hat. We brought that tail over, rounded it out, kind of like a banana shape, and did a puffy ball around the end. Now, what time is it? time to color this, right, Kimball? You ready? Say fast forward.